places that you know seem like fantasy. There's a light inside your soul that's still shining in the cold, with the truth, the promise in our hearts. Don't forget, I'm with you in the dark.
Toby the tram engine was at the top station when Percy came along. "I see Daisy left the milk van again." "I'll have to make another trip again," complained Percy. "Tell you what, you go to the quarry and get my trucks, and I'll take the van." The drivers and the station master agreed, and the engines set off. Percy had never been to the quarry before, and was excited to work there. Despite never being there, he managed to get the trucks orderly in line. This made the trucks cross.
"Percy's got no right to bump around,"
they complained. They whispered to each other. Percy soon collected his trucks and went on his way. As he traveled along the line, he saw a sign that read, "All trains must stop to pin down brakes." Percy was too distracted by the sign to remember. The truck's chance had come. Yelled the trucks. Percy tried to stop, but the hill was too steep. Percy went so fast, he ran over a cop's tail feathers. Percy soon headed into the siding. He yelled, "Look out," but it was too late. Percy had landed on some trucks with debris surrounding him. He was left like that the next day when the Vat Controller arrived. "You've put us in quite a predicament, Percy," he said. "You must now figure out how to run a branch line with a tram engine and a diesel." "I'm sorry, sir," said Percy sadly, but Percy wasn't as guilty as Daisy. "I do not like diesels who do not do their work. I sent lazy engines away. Toby has told me that you did work hard after Percy's accident, so I will give you another chance, Daisy." The next day, Thomas came back and Percy went to the works. Thomas, Toby, and Daisy are all friends now. Sometimes Daisy takes the milk van, and even Henrietta when Thomas or Toby are too busy. She's become better at fighting bulls now. Toby has taught her that. She's so good she scared a bull off the line yesterday. That's an improvement, don't you think?